What's up, peeps? It's me again, and I'm back for another interesting video. This time, let's get to know more about free drops. So if you really want to learn how free drops work, I suggest that you should watch this video until the end. Okay guys, so let's begin. Alright, so this one right here, it reminds me of participating in airdrops, because if you're going to do this task, you will be gaining some free tokens, and then you do this task again, you will be gaining another set of tokens. So free drops right here, this reminds me, like joining airdrops. Like, you have to complete tasks in order to claim these drop tokens. All right, but first guys, we have to connect our wallet, and we use MetaMask. Assuming that you don't have MetaMask, all you have to do is to click this one and go to add-ons and themes, and you can see right here guys the extensions. So you just have to type MetaMask right here and it will appear. So you can see right here guys, this is my MetaMask, so I have installed it. So let's say you don't have an account yet. All right, so all you have to do is to create an account, but first you have to enter your password first before you're going to create your account. So let's say we are going to create an account, and then we have to name our account. Let's say test1, and then we create. Okay, so let's say that you have created your account. All right, so what you need to do is to export your private key. So make sure that you save it on your notebook or a piece of paper. I wouldn't recommend it to screenshot. So to do that guys, we have to go right here on the account details, and then there is the address. And if you want to export your private key, you can do so right here. However guys, in order to show your private keys, you have to type your MetaMask password and then click confirm. And once you do that guys, the private key will appear, and then you just have to manually save it somewhere on your notebook or paper. The next thing that you're going to do is to deposit some BNB. So make sure that it's on the Binance Smart Chain. So how are you going to buy some BNB? Of course, you can buy it on Binance Exchange or other exchanges that supports BNB that is under Binance Smart Chain. And of course guys, assuming that you have BNB, and of course guys, make sure that you are on the Binance Smart Chain. So you have to switch it. So the default one is Ethereum, but you have to switch it to Binance Smart Chain. However, if you don't have Binance Smart Chain yet, of course there is a custom RPC right here. You just have to enter the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the currency symbol, and the block explorer. And you can see the instructions as well. So all you have to do is to copy paste these details right here from number 4 up to number 8, and then click save. So you can see right here guys, we only use Binance Coin for boosting and flash sales due to high gas price of Ethereum. After we do that, of course, we deposit BNB in our wallet. So I have already deposited some BNB. Okay, and then we connect our wallet. So how do we connect? So just click right here, connect wallet, and MetaMask will appear. Okay, and then I click next, and then click connect. So it says right here guys, wallet is connected already, so please log in, register on the dApp. All right, so we have to log in guys. So it says right here the signature request, so just click sign. Once we do that, so it says right here account is verified. Okay, this is the smart contract address of drops. All right, so guys, this is very important. All right, so this is an important warning, so you have to read and understand before you proceed. Interest is paid on drops that are held in the drops wallet only. So if a withdrawal is made to your ERC20 wallet, then interest will not be paid on that balance. So remember guys, this is Binance Smart Chain, not Ethereum. So it says right here, drops that have been withdrawn cannot be redeposited. Okay, so when it comes to free drops guys, everyone begins at the same level. So this means that 1 or 2 devs or whales cannot manipulate the price or pump and dump. So they have fixed that, and it's really great for us to hear it. So it was designed as a coin that could be traded and grow based on real value and not manipulation. So they are offering high interest and sustained growth by removing fraud from the equation. And they are truly a decentralized coin that has created a new fundamental economy that was never seen before in the crypto arena. Wow, this is really amazing. And of course, there is a small fee that will boost our interest rate. So additional drops can be acquired through short flash sales or actions that can only be found through Discord, Telegram, or direct email. And of course, you can see right here, each level will have a higher base interest rate. So we begin with level 1. So we could claim up to 16,000 free drops and receive an interest rate of up to 17%. So we could earn more drops with a new kind of proof of work, or POW in short. So these opportunities will be sent by email, Discord, or Telegram. So 100,000 drops will advance to the next level, and we could stake without penalties. So if we withdraw during any time period and all of the remaining drops will be left in the drops wallet, will continue receive the boost interest until the rate expires. So there are no penalties if withdrawals take place before the end of the interest period. And also, guys, you can see the claims, the tasks, and the rules right here. Okay, so we focus on the level 1 first. So let's go to level 1. First, we have to claim 1,000 free drops. So we claim. So to provide email will be verified. Check your email and spam folder, then claim your 1,000 free drops. So I have to enter my email. And then I click next. Then I will check my email for the verification code. So I have to log into my email right now. Okay, so you can see right here, guys, email code for free 1,000 drops. So I have to click on this one. And then this is the verification code. So I have to copy and paste right here. Go back here and then paste the verification code and click submit. So reward claimed successfully, and my balance was updated immediately with 1,000 drops. Okay, now let's go to the second task, which is 5,000 free drops. So I have to claim. So join our new Discord channel, become a part of their awesome community. All you have to do is to join Drops Discord channel here. So I'm clicking on that. Okay, so accept invite, continue to Discord. So we are now on Discord, guys. All right, so this is the official Discord channel of Freedrops. All right. Okay, so how are we going to get the secret code? All right, so you can see right here, guys, on the upper right, this is the bot. Okay, so freedrops.io. So you can see right here, there's a label, which is a bot. So we have to click on that. And then you can see right here, guys, the instructions. Left click the bot, and there will be a pop-up where you can paste in a message. So paste in only this $get drop. So I'm going to do that. So it says right here, you must be a member of this one. All right, so I have already joined. So I have to send in a DM. So this is the one. And here is the code. And then I'm going to paste it right here. And then click submit. So reward claimed successfully. And I already have 6,000 drops. So the next task is claim 10,000 free drops. So we have to join the Drops Telegram channel right here. So I'm going to do that. So it will pop up like this. And then I join the group. And the next instruction is click on this one. And then I click start. So you must be a member of this to get the code. So join the group and follow instructions in the pinned message. So I'm going to do that. So to get verified, send get drops. So I'm going to do that. So it says you have been verified. Click on this one to get your code. So I click start again. And of course, guys, Freedrops will send you a direct message. So I have to click on this one. So I will get the code right here. So here is my secret code. Do not share this with anyone else. So I have to copy and paste it. And then I'm going to do this and click submit. There we go. So I have 16,000 drops right now. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do, guys, is to claim the 5% interest. So all we have to do is to click right here, and then we need to share it on Twitter. So it says, tweet a positive message about free drops, and your tweet must contain freedrops.io to qualify for the 5% interest. So I have to tweet. So it will redirect me to my Twitter account. And I am going to tweet this. So my tweet was sent. And here we go. So this is my URL. So you have to copy the link. And then going back to the free drops. So I pasted it and then I click submit. There it goes. So I have already claimed it. So the current interest is 5%. All right. So it's that simple, guys. Okay. Now, our next goal is to boost our interest. So instead of the 5%, it will add another 2% interest for a total of 7% interest. So to do that, we should spend 0.003509 BNB. So I have to do it. Okay, so it will open my MetaMask account. So you can see it right here, guys. All right. Okay, so I have to pay this fee. All right, and I have to click confirm, and we have to wait for the transaction to complete. And there we go, guys. Transaction is confirmed. So you can see right here, guys, my current interest is now at 7%. So my base interest is at 5% that will expire on July 18th of 2022. And for the active boost, the same thing as well. So here's the thing, guys. You can withdraw these drops, all right? So let's say you want to withdraw all of them. However, there is a saying here, once you withdraw, you cannot redeposit drops back into your account. You will continue to receive interest based on the remaining balance until the boost expires. Okay, now that we have added 2% interest, so if we want to boost some more, of course we can do so, but we have to pay this worth of BNB. All right, so I am very intrigued in finishing level 1, so I have to go through here. But first, I have to finish boosting right here in this level. So I have to click, and then it will open my MetaMask again, and then this is the fee. So I click confirm. And there we have it, guys. So I have finished the 4%. And finally, to wrap up level 1, I have to boost right here to add 6% interest. So I have to pay this amount. So I click boost. And then my MetaMask will pop up again. All right, so this is the fee. So I click confirm. And we have to wait for the transaction to complete. Okay, so the transaction is complete. And I have just completed level 1. All right, so there you have it, peeps. This is how we complete the level 1 right here on Freedrops. So this time, guys, let's talk about the flash sale on Freedrops. Okay, peeps, so let's get started. Okay, so the flash sale is only enabled if you have completed all of the tasks right here on level 1. Okay, so you can see right here on the upper right, so it's already enabled. So I have to click right here. So you can see right here, guys, this flash sale will only last for a short period of time. So this is the best way to get to the next level. So 100,000 drops is equivalent to 0.0065 BNB. And you can see right here the countdown. The flash sale would end as of this time in recording this video. So we could get a huge discount on drops. So all I have to do is to click the purchase button. So I have to do it now. And it will open my MetaMask. Okay, so you can see right here, and also the gas fee. So I click confirm. And then we have to wait for the transaction to be completed. Okay, so purchase successful. So you can see right here, guys, I already have 116,000 drops in which my current interest is at 21%. Now that I have a minimum of 100,000 drops, so I can now go to level 2. So I could add some more interest right here, all right? So all I have to do, guys, is to complete all of these, all right? So I have to pay the fee. So I have to click boost, and then I click confirm. And then we have to wait for the transaction to be completed. So there we have it. So the next thing is to add another 2%. So right now I am at 23%. So I'm interested. So I click boost again. And then my MetaMask will pop up. And then here we go. I click confirm. And then we have to wait again for the transaction to be completed. Okay, so transaction is completed. And now to complete the level 2, I have to click once again. So I have to boost. And then I click confirm. And we have to wait for the transaction to be completed again. So once it is done, guys, we are now eligible for level 3. And there you have it, guys. I have completed level 2. So what are my stats right now? So I have 116,000 drops with a current interest of 28%. And all of them are going to expire on July 18th of next year. And I would like to remind you guys, okay, so we could withdraw these drops. However, we cannot redeposit drops back into our account. So we will continue to receive interest based on the remaining balance until the boost expires. So there you have it, peeps. At least I have shared to you on how are we going to participate in the flash sale on Freedrops, okay? So just a reminder, if you want to participate in the flash sale, you have to complete level 1 first, okay? So never miss any of these tasks for you to participate in the Freedrops flash sale. I hope that you've learned something from me in this video. Thank you all for watching, by the way. Kindly don't hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your crypto, blockchain, DeFi, and NFT friends out there. And for more information about Freedrops, just simply go to their official website at freedrops.io. And if you need any support, guide, or something like that, of course, don't hesitate to join their official Discord channel right here. If you need any support, of course, feel free to drop a message to drop support. And one more thing, peeps, I would like to invite you all to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for you to stay notified about my latest videos regarding cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, decentralized finance, and NFTs. And you can follow my social media channels right here or in my YouTube description. Okay, guys, so from my freaking home studio, this is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and see you all on my next video.